Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So Indian Independence Day is coming up in few days, so let's make something for that. I have some malai paneer in my fridge, so let's make Tricolour Paneer Tikka. This snack is made in a jiffy. You can easily marinate it with 3 different flag colors and quickly make it on a grill pan. It hardly takes any time and we can have this in the menu of Independence Day. It's so much fun to make tricolour dishes and enjoy with family and friends. So shall we proceed to make Tricolour Paneer Tikka? Tricolour Paneer Tikka. This is a perfect snack to serve on Indian Independence Day. So prepare it and enjoy with your family. To prepare this, we'll require paneer. I have taken malai paneer 200 grams, oil about 2 tablespoons, 1 green capsicum or bell pepper, 1 red capsicum or bell pepper, 1 onion, little bit of salt as needed, juice of 1 lemon, some crushed garlic as required. Here we have green masala about 3 to 4 tablespoons, thick yogurt 3 to 4 tablespoons, chili garlic sauce 1 tablespoon, or as you like. This is homemade sauce. You can check out the link in the description box. Now let's prepare. Cut the bell peppers or capsicums into cubes like this, even the onion. Next we'll take out the paneer from the packet and cut it into equal size cubes. Here I'm getting 9 cubes. Little portion I'm discarding. We can use this for something else. We have 9 equal sized pieces. We'll divide them into 3 bowls, 3 pieces each. Now let's begin the marination. First, for the white one, whisk the yogurt very well. Add little salt. You could also use cream instead. Spoon the yogurt on the paneer pieces. Add some garlic, also crushed garlic or garlic paste. Mix them gently. If the yogurt is not sour, squeeze out some lemon juice. This is done. Now for the second one, we are going to have the green masala. Coat them very well with the masala. This is ground with mint, coriander leaves, green chilies, garlic. Squeeze out little lemon juice. Garlic is already there. You can check out how to prepare this masala. I'm also sharing this link in the description box. You can use it for many other curries as well. Here we go with the third one. Use half teaspoon or more chili garlic sauce. This is homemade sauce, very spicy. So I'm using very little of it to keep it mild. If you are spicy food lovers, you can add more. All 3 marinated. Now cover them and set aside at least for 1 hour, because all the spices will be absorbed by the paneer. When you are ready to serve, little 5 minutes before that, you can assemble these marinate pieces into the skewers, color wise, green, white and orange. It is so much fun to really make these tricolor dishes on this day. Patriotic feeling you have when you are celebrating with your friends. I try out different dish every year, or sometimes we even have potluck. Everybody brings a dish. So we end up collecting lots of tricolor dishes. Using your creativity, you can come up with so many dishes. Tricolor idlis, tricolor muffins, dosas, tricolor puris, pulaus, some snacks, salads. So here we go. The assembling is done. We are ready to grill them now. Grease the grill pan. Pour about 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Line the paneer skewers. You can do this in the oven also, but I prefer grill pan for paneer because it hardly takes time to cook. It's done very fast. After a little while, you can flip them. This way, flipping them few times carefully, you can get nice and evenly cooked paneer. You see, it's already getting lovely color. You can adjust the flame also in between. Maintain it medium. Friends, a little request, if you are new to the channel, do subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss out any notification whenever I upload a new video. I hope you are liking my videos. Now flipping few times, we have cooked the paneer. Beautiful. Lovely color and texture. I love malai paneer. Now time to serve. Dish it out in a platter along with some salad, tricolored salad. Do check out my other recipes as well. I'm sharing the link in the description box, all the tricolor recipes. Happy cooking and wish you all a happy Independence Day in advance. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Check out these videos from the archives as well. You might like some of them too. Bye.